Ma'am, may I have your order, please?
Adobo chicken, then liempo, then plain rice lang. And for beverage is iced tea. What do you have for vegetables?
Ma'am, for vegetables, we have pinakbet, chop suey, laing, and adobong sitaw and kangkong. But ma'am, I recommend you our laing. It is one of the best sellers of Mamang's specialties.
Okay, one for that.
Okay, ma'am. So let me repeat your order. 1 adobo chicken, 1 liempo, 1 plain rice, 1 iced tea, and 1 laing. Thank you, ma'am. I'll come back later.